Alright guys, today we're doing a POV in the snow. As you can see, it actually snowed today in Texas, which is out of the norm. So we're gonna just drive around, see if we can find any spots to do anything fun or cool. I have a new mic, so hopefully it sounds good and you guys can hear everything, but yeah, we'll just go for a quick drive and let you guys see the scenery. I do have snow all over my windshield and I don't want to use my wipers because they're going out and I don't want to scratch my windshield, so let's make sure you guys have a good view here. I think so. I think you guys got a good view. But yeah. All the snow is already like melted, which sucks because I really wanted to find a spot where I could do like little slides, but not knowing, firstly not being like a snow person, I didn't know that, you know, I'd have to do it super early. But not only that, I had to work from home today, so that kind of took my time up in the morning and you know, made it to where I couldn't go do anything early in the morning. But it looks like everywhere so far is just melted, which is weird because of the grass that I was seeing in other spots wasn't melted, but like I'm getting over here and it's all just gone now. Like this was a place I had thought would have been a good spot. But we won't lose hope. We'll keep looking around. Oh, that was another. Oops, I think I hit the camera. Might have bumped it up too high. Did I bump you guys up too much? Possibly. Hopefully not. And if I did, hopefully I got you guys back onto a good spot. I have a microphone on here, so it's like taller than it usually is, and I'm not used to having to adjust my head that much, so. Man, that thing was so loud. Crack the windows here. engine light or what? I have to check that. Hold on, found a spot I want to try going into. Is it right here? Here and do a little turn, because the spot where I was trying to go, it looks like maybe not a good spot to go into. Oh, this guy's gonna see me with my GoPro on. Awkward. Yeah, so the microphone on here is actually adding a good amount of weight, so I hope it's not too crazy. But we'll just keep going down this road. Oh, all that snow I think just went in my back seat. I don't know, guys, I kind of wish it would snow a bit more in Houston just so we could get some more of this like vibes, I guess, but sadly it doesn't, so we just kind of have to do what we can whenever it does. And unfortunately, I don't know, I'll be honest, I don't think I'm gonna get any fun sliding spots. hours. I'm seeing all these spots that would have been good to go in the morning, but whatever. It is what it is, I guess. Oh, they're super empty. I don't know why I have a check engine light for. I had a clean check engine, like no lights on the dash except for my brakes, so not sure what that's about. I'll have to check and see. In case you're thinking I'm over exaggerating, there was literally so much snow in the morning. I'll take a picture. I'll post a picture here of what it looked like, but there was so much snow. It looked actually really nice. But yeah, that sucks. I guess work ruins fun, which we all knew already, so whatever though, we can still have our own fun. That's funny. Here we are pulling up to the E85 station. This is where everyone gets their E85. We could head down here. No spots with snow here anymore. Alright guys, well, there's no snow here. We're at the police station, I think, so I think this is a good spot to go ahead and end off the video. But yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and end off the video here. Like I said, I was looking for snow, I couldn't find any, but I did get to see at least some of the roads around me. Let's see if we can take a nice little photo here at least. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody watching. There you go. Nice YouTube thumbnail pictures. Alright guys, other than that, I appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, hopefully, I hoped I could find some, but couldn't find anything, so we got stuck with what we have here. But peace out guys.